Code C, air valve, create a new file, select model template, enter the name, air valve, click OK, select assemblies, select add component, select open, select the valve box, click OK. Now select the fit constraint and select apply, select here. Now open the folder, select the valve. Okay. Now select touch align, select inverse center axis, select the center line of the valve. Select this space in the preview. Now select touch from the geometry constraint. Select this surface in the wall and this surface in the wall box. Now select remove the wall. Now select constraint, select distance from this space to here. Enter the distance 6 mm. Select apply. Now open the file, select the string, click OK, select inverse center axis from touch align, select the center line of the wall, and change the reference set to entire core, select the datum axis of the string, select touch, select the XY plane and the space, select reverse direction. Now select apply. Now open the file, select spring sheet, OK, select inverse center axis, select the center line of the spring sheet and the center line of the wall. select distance, select the space of the wall, the space of the wall sheet, enter the distance 5 mm, select apply, edit this distance to 15 mm, okay. Now open the file, select Xnut M20, click OK, select infer center axis, select the center line of the Xnet, the center line of the wall, select the touch, select the bottom surface of the nut and this space in the wall sheet, select apply, open file, select the wraparound, select infer center axis, select the center line of the wraparound, select reverse direction. Now select the center, select 2 by 2 subtype, select this face and this face in the wraparound, select this face and this face in the wall box. Now select touch, select this face of the wall, and this face in the wraparound, select apply, select to open, select pin 1, select infer center axis, select this surface and select this surface, reverse the direction. Now select touch, select this surface and this surface, select the reverse. Now select apply, on file open, Select the washer. Select infer center axis. Select the surface. Select the center line of the rock around. Select touch. Select this face and this face in the pin 1. Select apply. Now open the folder. Select the M15 HNet. Select input center axis. Select the center line. Select the center line of the wraparound. Select touch. Select the bottom face of the nut and this face of the washer. Select apply. Now open. Select lever. Click OK. Select input center axis. Select the center line. Select the center line. Please lock around. Now select the center. Select 2 by 2. Select this face and this face. Select this face and this face. Now select to move component. Rotate the angle. Now open. Select the pin. Click OK. Select constraint. Select the infer center axis. Select the surface. Select the surface. Now select touch the surface. In this surface, reverse the direction. Click apply. Cancel. Right click. Orient view to trimetry. Now select constraints. Right click. Disable the display constraints in graphics window. Right click. Orient view to trimetry. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes code C Air 1.